Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arfansyah. Here I will tell you my story during Eid al-Fitri. On Eid al-Fitri, after waking up in the morning, I immediately took a shower to prepare myself for the Eid prayers at the mosque. I wore my best clothes and walked to the mosque with my family and some neighbors. The atmosphere at the mosque was very lively and full of enthusiasm. Everyone looked joyful, celebrating the day of victory after a month of fasting during Ramadan. After completing the Eid prayer, I returned home. Upon arriving, I immediately greeted and asked for forgiveness from my parents and all family members. This moment felt very emotional and heartfelt. We sincerely forgave each other, letting go of and mistakes and welcoming a new chapter with a clean heart. After the session of asking for forgiveness, we gathered at the dining table to enjoy traditional Eid dishes. There were assorted cookies, ketupat, vegetables, rice, and various other special meals only served during Eid. The atmosphere was warm and joyful, as it was rare for us to gather together like this. In the afternoon, my family and I walked to visit our neighbors to maintain good relation. We went from house to house, greeting people, having small talks, and enjoying the light refreshment they had prepared. We continued this activity until evening. Sometimes some neighbors also visited our house, making the Eid atmosphere even more festive. On the third night of Eid, my friend and I walked together to visit each other's homes. We shared stories, reminisced about school days, and enjoyed the calm and friendly evening. The moment is something I always look forward to during Eid, as it strengthens the bonds of friendship that may have faded to our busy lives. Then, on the seventh day of Eid, my family and I visited my grandmother's relatives in the Air Putih area of Bengkalis. The journey was quite long, but once we arrived, we were family welcomed by our extended family. We sat together, enjoyed the food had been prepared, and had long conversation about everything from past memories to recent updates from everyone. Without realizing it, the day had turned into night, and it was time to go home. However, I didn't return home with my parents, since I had to go back to collect the next day. My parents took me straight to my boarding house with mixed feelings happiness from spending it with my family and a bit of sadness about returning to routine. I got ready to return to campus life. Okay, that's all the stories about my moments during Eid al-Fitri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.